Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write code in Replit using the latest interface. If you're a beginner and want to learn coding with the help of Replit AI, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First, I'll open my Replit project. As you can see, my project is already open. Now, I'll go to the message agent box at the bottom of the screen. This is where I can ask Replit AI to generate code for me. For this example, I'll write a simple Python hello world program. After typing the prompt, I'll press enter on my keyboard. Replit AI will now analyze my request and start generating the code automatically. It only takes a few seconds. As you can see, the AI has successfully generated a simple Python program. The code uses the print function to display the text hello world on the screen. This is one of the fastest ways to write code in Replit because you don't have to type everything manually. You simply describe what you want, and the AI creates the code for you. If you want to build something different, you can enter another prompt. For example, you can ask Replit AI to create a calculator, a number guessing game, a login form, or even explain how a piece of code works. You can also ask the AI to fix errors, improve your existing code, or add new features to your project. This makes Replit a great platform for both beginners and experienced programmers. Using the built-in AI assistant can save time, help you learn programming concepts faster, and make coding much easier. And that's how you can write code in Replit using the built-in AI assistant. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.